How to slow down YouTube videos. To slow down YouTube videos, we have to open the video that we want to slow down. Let me just open one of the travel videos I found. So we've got a video. As you can see, it's moving in a normal pace, and now to slow it down, we have a very easy way to do that. First of all, we need to move our mouse to this gear icon over here. Click on it, and then over here we can see playback speed. As you can see, it's set to normal, so we need to click over here, and then we can choose if you want to speed it up or slow it down. If we want to slow it down, we can select, for example, 0.75, 0.5 or 0.25 playback speed. So that means it will be 4 times slower if we choose 0.25. Let's see. As you can see, it was slowed down a lot. Let me click back and choose a half to see how it looks. As you can see, it slowed down exactly by half. It looks quite okay. And of course we can slow it down just slightly by 25%, so we can click 0.75 to see how it looks like. And that's it for today. This is how we slow down videos on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. Remember to click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.